We're here at Bobbin Head, one of the hidden gems of New South Wales. Park entry is just $12 for the whole day, and yes, that includes parking. We're so happy to spend the day with friends. Here at Bobbin Head, you can go paddle boating, spot a goanna, which the kids loved, grab a coffee at the cafe, and of course, there's a fun playground for the little ones. After some playtime, we hit the Jibberagong track for a short trek. Walking through the stone steps was amazing. Look what Bea spotted, this little cutie on the tree. Do you know what animal this is? Drop your guess in the comments. This was such a memorable day. Fresh air, good company, and so much to explore. We definitely recommend visiting Bobbin Head with your family or friends. See you on the next adventure.